Hi guys, I want to introduce you in this video my Glam face palettes. The name Glam Face comes from the Glam eyeshadow palette, my best-selling eyeshadow palette that I wanted to extend into an everyday essential combo with cheek products. Since the color stories are neutral, I wanted to create a perfect color story for light to medium skins and medium or tan to deep skins. Both palettes wear beautifully on all skin tones. So in this video, I'm going to show you a quick demo how I like to wear my everyday makeup and also how I'm going to upgrade this look into an evening sparkling glam. So for the morning, for the everyday look, I want to emphasize a little bit my eyes. To create a kind of natural cat eye, I'm using the Macro Tech eye pencil in brown, drawing on the outer third of my lower lash line, stretching this out a little to be able to connect with the outer third of the upper lash line. Same thing, the inner waterline. Following the upper border of the pencil and want to diffuse a little bit the harsh line. Now I'm picking the shade Smoke, blending this very close to my lash line. So after mascara, I am taking a little bit of the cream blush. And then I always love a little bit of glow, even in the morning. Just popping this slightly bit onto the highest points of my cheeks. And it just looks radiant. My skin looks completely radiant and fresh. For the lips, I'm always using the I Need a Nude crayon in the shade Natasha because this is exactly my natural lip color. For the lipstick, I'm going to use the I Need a Nude lipstick in shade Michelle. This is the everyday look. I'm keeping it pretty simple. So when I'm coming back from work and I have to quickly switch into this evening glam, I'm first of all using my eyeshadow base, spreading this all over my lid. I'm trying not to cover up the existing eyeshadows on my lids and dipping now a larger blending brush into crease, connecting the outer corner from the morning that I've created upwards into the crease. I'm going in with a more dense brush into Smoke, and I will connect the outer lash line with the crease with this darker shade to emphasize the smoky look. Now with my finger, I'm gonna pick up the shade Outer Corner. This is a super foiled, glossy, shiny and sparkling eyeshadow. Pressing this onto the outer corner of my lid and the inner corner as well, and keeping the center of my lid empty. And for an extra shine and sparkle on the center lid, using the shade Inner Corner, I'm gonna go in with my Macro Blade liquid liner and trace my lash line with the shade Smoke. I'm kind of softening the outer corner of the eyeliner, and now adding more of the cream blush and also of the Star Glow, another layer, and even a little bit more just to pop this highlight a little bit more. So I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video, how I like to turn my everyday on-the-go makeup into a perfect and beautiful evening glam, smoky eye, and hope that this will also help you if you're in the same situation, or if you just want to know how I wear the everyday makeup, or just creating the smoky and glam eye for any occasion in the evenings. And thank you for watching. Bye.